Hello dear friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to put you through the step-by-step process on how to hide your friend list on Facebook and make it private. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead to show you my friend list so you can see how it is before the video. So this is it. It's showing. You can see my friend list, and after the video I'm going to go ahead and also show you my friend list so you can confirm. Okay, but before I go ahead, I would like to ask that you kindly hit the subscribe button below and click on the bell icon so you won't miss out on any of my videos. Okay, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up. So let's get to the main video. Okay, so first you need to make sure you have an internet connection, and then you open up your Facebook app, then click at the three lines by the right top corner, and then you scroll down and tap on settings and privacy. Here you click on settings. Okay, so you have to scroll down to audience and visibility. Click on how people find and contact you. Okay, at the second line you can see who can see your friend list. Mine is on public, so to hide it, just tap on more and click on only me. Okay, when you click on only me, nobody is going to be able to see your friend list. Okay, so this is it. I'm going to go back and check. Okay, so to go back, you have to go to your profile and tap on the three dots by the right corner and click on viewers. Okay, so right here you can see that my friend list is no longer showing. Okay,